Hello everybody, and thanks for joining us for another Whitfield's food vlog. We're having tacos. Tonight's Taco Tuesday. What is today? What fucking day is today? Tuesday? Okay. It's Taco Tuesday. It's perfect. Here we go. Here we are on Taco Tuesday, absolutely on purpose. Get your ground beef all nice and smushed up. But we usually tend to make it like really thin little tiny little minced meat. I always put about a quarter cup of water in there as well. That helps break it up so you don't end up just getting one giant meatball. And then I add my secret blend of, oops, sorry about that, seasoning. Never mind. Also, a cool little secret here. Well, I don't know about secret, but cool little tip here is if you like it more of a slurry, almost like with its own sauce, what you do, you put a little bit more water in here, and then you add a teaspoon of that. It thickens up into almost like a syrup slash sauce. It's actually really good. Now for our recipes, we tend to make everything from scratch, for the most part. Now, Taco Tuesday, some of it from scratch, some of it pre-made. The pico's one of them. Nice and toasty. Put in here for about 20 seconds one side, keep this side nice and soft. That way it can fold into it. And it won't break, and it won't be too crunchy. You're welcome. Heating up some refried beans, heating up some nacho cheese. Voila. And there you have it. This is our Taco Tuesday. Let's see what Jen thinks. You hungry? So Jen, you gotta let them know. I could have been lying. They might not be as good as I said they were. It's a big old taco, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thumbs up. Should they make this at home? Mm-hmm. Should they hit the notification button? Should they like, comment, and other things like that?
Yep, and do all of it.
Sounds good to me. Alright, so there you have it, folks. Jury is in, and it turns out that Taco Tuesday was a hit. And it seems like I might have had crap all over my face when I was talking, but since Jen's not in here to tell me, and I can't see myself in this camera, I might have just embarrassed myself. No big whoop. See if I can do it again. So guys, thank you so much for watching yet another little Whitfield's Food Review vlog. You know, sometimes we're going to go out and do stuff. Sometimes we're going to go out, get ingredients, and come back and make something. The stuff we happen to already have here, we're just showing you our food life. I hope you enjoyed it. So if you want to support us on Patreon, you can do that. But of course, there's always going to be reviews. There's going to be recipes. This was kind of a recipe slash food vlog. So there you go. 2 for 1. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and all that other stuff. And until next time.